Hello, Dr. Hayes, and also the classmates. Um, Today, I'm going to be presenting my video on how organizational development helps a new start to start a new business. I'm going to discuss with you today the different goals and strategies in 5 different phases for this short video. This would help any small business entrepreneurship how to work with their employee in many different organization, deal with any other culture on global setting. Um, the phase one would identify the intervention within the company. Strategies have to be sent, such as solving any current dilemmas by diagnosis, feedback to a key client or group to join for with the diagnosis and action planning after the action has been taken place. These techniques help resolve issues as they arise and prevent forcible problems in the future. Phase two would be the second set of strategies in a small business that can use gathering necessary data and interviewing members of the organization. Gathering data helps determine if the company needs organization or not, basically. Effectiveness is the key to help to resolve like most issues, as well as the consistency. The relationship between the client or organization must have mutual understanding and needs. Phase three would be basically address all any interventions that are served in your business, including attendance, for example. Management would be like the second one, as well as other stuff. Feedback is important and necessary for managers to evaluate issues that need to be resolved to prevent any future absenteeism, tardiness, and also any other major issues. And also part of the phase three would be also to make sure the data is liable, so that it can be used for the future problems that may occur if they can be like connected immediately. Observe behavior, that would be like something else that reward like good behavior within rewards, incentive, or prevent back to the old ways. And then another example for like phase four would be coaching. The coaching would help to clarify any particular goal you may set for yourself, for example, managers or any executive. Coaching helps to find issues and resolve like the main points of problem to prevent any future problem in the particular area, for example. Action plans, assessments, gaining results will also give like an answer to any unforeseen problems. Part of like the phase four also is like another thing that I would recommend would be training development, which is like training development is needed along with coaching to help any professional in the field to better their skill, improve new skills, for example, to coach new goals that is created. Phase five would be transformation. Changes have to be consistently improved upon, as well as the culture changes. The changes would have to include departments in human resources, information systems, and work designed to organization. The changes that changes help the company, for example, to be like more flexible, about improving the way the system works, and how a team changes an organization. Also understanding like norms, assumptions, how a culture work will bridge gender gaps, for example, discrimination, any other ethical issues. Knowing these problems within the organization will also bring context to dealing with any domestic countries, by knowing how their culture functions and standards in which that they treat it to other people. In conclusion, this concludes my presentation, and remember, all the entrepreneurship run into roadblocks, and individual who uses these phases as tool to structure to their business will prevent intervention with their employee. And that would conclude my presentation for this paper and for the class. And please feel free to contact me if you have any question whatsoever, and I hope you enjoy this presentation. I had really enjoyed this class as far as everything that I put together, and I'm very happy as far as all the information and everything that I learned. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for having your attention.